SMK Helmets.
Visor mechanism replacement. Open the visor fully first. Then pull the visor opening button down to the full extent and gently pull it out from the channel. Repeat the same for the other side. To replace the visor mechanism, first remove the visor. Then use a screwdriver to open the screw. Then gently tilt the visor mechanism using the visor opening button using the thumb, and use your fingertips to remove the visor mechanism from its slot. Insert the locking leg first in the slot provided and push the visor mechanism in its slot. Then screw it back in place using a screwdriver. To insert a visor, align the pivots and L-shaped legs on the channel provided on the visor mechanism in the fully open condition and push it place. Top air vent replacement. To replace the top vent button, remove the top vent button legs from its slot one by one from the helmet. To put it back, align the legs with the slot provided on the top of the helmet and snap it into place. Front air vent replacement. To replace the front air vent button, first pull it open using a thin screwdriver covered with a soft cloth, and then remove the base plate. To install the front vent back again, fix the base plate on the slots in the helmet and then snap the button in place. Repeat the process on the small vent button and pull it outward. Then fix the base plate on the slots in the helmet and then snap the button in place. You may need to adjust the position of the mouth vent from close to open as necessary. Breathe deflector replacement. To remove the breath deflector, pull out breathe deflector as shown. Gently pull on one side and then repeat the process on the other side. To put it back, align the holes on the breath deflector on the chin bar slot and push it in place. Adjust the breath deflector on the chin bar. Stop wind replacement. Gently pull the wind stop starting from one side to remove the leg of the stop wind from the neck edge. Then gently pull from the middle and the other side and the stop wind comes out. To insert the stop wind, align the legs with the slot provided in the helmet and gently snap it into place. Rear vent replacement. Gently remove the rear vent button with the help of screwdriver. Repeat the same for the base and pull it out. To install the front vent back again, fix the base plate on the slots in the helmet and then snap the button in place. Cheek pad replacement. To remove the cheek pad, Gently pull the cheek pad from the front snap hole and you will hear a click sound of the button opening. Then pull on the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheet comes out of the helmet. To reinstall the cheek pad, snap close the buttons inside first and then snap the cheek pad back in place. Liner replacement. To unlock the bandella, gently pull the bandella down using the thumb. Unlock the locks of the bandella in the front of the helmet one by one. Then unbutton the 2 buttons on the back of the helmet. The liner will come out from its place. To put the liner again in place, push to close the 2 buttons on the back of the helmet. Gently push the bandella and it will snap in its place. Once this is done, spread the liner inside the helmet. Your liner is now ready to be used.
SMK Helmets.